In the market for a 2013 Holden Commodore.
Experience the pleasure of driving this vehicle.
A low odometer reading is a great benefit amongst many others with this vehicle. A powerful engine will meet your need for speed
that responds smoothly to its 6-speed automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, an alarm system, a CD player, audio input for your iPod, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, side airbag, stability control, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, power windows, ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags.
Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Enjoy the comfort of dual temperature controls. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Safety is often a big concern, and if it is important to you, know this car comes equipped with the right safety equipment. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call us now.